Guys, what's up here? Death Wolf here. Today we are playing a horror game. So, yeah, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'm letting you know right now, if you want me to, actually, do more of, horror games like this, you have to actually, get up to at least somewhere around 100 likes. Because I rarely do horror games. Those FNAF games, those jump scares got me. Luckily, this game has jump scares. Lovely. Anyway, leave a like, subscribe, and here we go. Yes.
Looks like I fell asleep. It's almost midnight. What is it? Strange. No one else should be here. I'll go check.
Oh,
what a terrible dream.
Okay.
It's midnight already. Time to go home. Night call. Let's hope nothing serious.
Hello, Bishop. Marvelous night, isn't
Wait,
it?
what?
I'm sure you don't remember me. A lot of time has passed since our last meeting.
I clicked new game. Okay, well,
One day,
great.
you took everything I had,
Uh,
and now it's time to pay.
if you guys hear my dog, that's my dog barking in the background.
Try to collect them so we can see who you really are.
What a psycho! What happened with the lights? Is this some kind of deja vu? I should go check out the fuse box in the control room.
Oh. 1987, June. Okay. I'm gonna let you guys read this, because I'm not gonna read that. I feel like I'm gonna 100% get jump scared. Okay. I'm gonna let you guys know, there's a very high chance this video might be half of what it's gonna be. That door is locked. Connor, you're fine. Talking to my dog. Yeah, it's a police station, but they don't... Where's the armory in this place? Love how we're 3 minutes into this video. Ooh. Alright, my nerves have already been shot. Nice. Oh, that's just tomato sauce. It's just tomato sauce, guys. It's fine. 9, 5, 2, 4. I'm gonna get jump scared. Probably twice. Seems terrifying looking. He looks great, don't he? Wait, does he? Dad? Wait, look at the scratch marks. D-A-D. Why does it have, Dad scratched on the side of it? Oh, God, I did not mean to do that. Right, okay. I already know where the jump scare is. I'm just stalling because I don't want to do the jump scare. And the door is locked. Well, let's do this. Actually, no, wait, I should find the key first. Frick. Oh! Oh my God! Oh! That's freaking new. That's new. That was never in the... You guys better leave a like and subscribe. I may have forgotten what the code was. Okay. My heart has just stopped after that jump scare. That's a second jump scare. 9524. 9524. 9524. 9524. 9524. I swear to God, if there's a jump scare in here, I swear. 9524.
I need to find the electrical panel.
This guy's gonna get me freaking scared the crap out of my skins. Let's go. I will let you guys know there is like maybe at least one cuss word in here. Yeah. Sorry, I'm not gonna know how to mute that out. So yeah, just ignore if you hear it.
Now I need to turn on the second fuse box.
I thought that was meant to be a phone call. Alright. Alright, only freaking certain ones are active. Okay. Okay. What was that? I'm looking for anything. Oh my god. If anything moves. Okay. I hate how I'm gonna have to go back out here. I hate it.
Holy shit.
Yeah, there's the cuss word, guys. What was the roaring sound? What was the roaring sound? Okay, fine. We don't need to know what that is. Fine. Yeah, no, I'm going. Actually, no, wait, that's the exit. Why would I not want to go that way? Can I go that way? Okay. Oh, you can't be serious.
Well, starting to remember? How do you like my gift? Like it? Like it? It loves to play.
Oh, oh, oh. Ugh. Okay, lights off. There's the door. Where is he? I know I see him. I saw him somewhere. Isn't he in here? There he is! Right in the corner. What am I actually supposed to do? Like, legit. What am I actually meant to, like, do? All the other doors are, like, actually locked? Find the key. What? Guess I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna die by this thing. It was just staring at the camera. That thing's fat. It's gone. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Uh-oh. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay, so the point of this game is, like, you're meant to, like, go around, but where am I supposed to go around if, like, all the doors are locked? I get I need a key, but where am I meant to go find a key? Let me see if I can find that in the cameras. Okay, he said, as long as I'm hidden, I don't think he'll find me. I'm praying. The keys are... I have to find all the clues or something? Stupid. Thankfully he's not here, so there's that. There's a clue there, but that's inside the office that I think might be locked. So we got a clue here in BA. A2, we got one there. And there's nowhere else I can look. Okay, where is this guy? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. No, 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 no. Oh. 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 What am I supposed to do? Actually, legit, what do I do? Dude, I want to see Spy or Obi or Komodo do this. Like, this game's on Xbox too, by the way. I'm letting you guys know it's on Xbox, but it does cost. I don't know if it's on PC, but it is just terrifying. This is just terrifying. I don't like it. I might have to cut the video short because I can't do this. Like, seriously, like, legit. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Actually, seriously, where'd it go? I need to keep track. Where'd it go? I actually lost it. No signal. What? Guys, I'm actually puzzled because I don't know where it went. Those are the other two that are locked. Like, I cannot get into those. There it is. Okay, so it's there. My issue is... how am I gonna, like... okay, hang on, wait. Okay. Great, it's walking back, so I'm not even sure if I can even move. I'm stuck. Yeah, it's gone again. That's freaking lovely. Where's it go? Okay, so it's in that room right now, so it just passed through here. That's creepy. Okay, it's leaving. It's gone. It's actually gone. Do you have to go through that door that I came out of? That's my issue. How do I get around this? Crap, I only have like 35% of battery left. Okay, 34%. Guys, I don't know what to do. It's a police station, dude. Why is there like no guns or anything? Shouldn't there be like a shotgun? Okay. I'm keeping my... It is moving around. I saw it for a split second. It is moving around. This video is already 16 minutes long. Good news is the lights are on. That's a plus. Just not all of them. For some reason. I'm trying to figure out how did this thing even get into a police station? And why did it have scratch marks of it saying DAD if you literally put that in a word that says dad? Uh-oh. Can't see me? Uh-oh. 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 Go hide. Go hide. Go hide. It can't open doors, right? It couldn't get in the room this time because I closed the door. That's good to know. Just wish there was a blind here. Wait, why is there only one blind here, but another blind like covering these two windows? Okay, where's it heading to now? Crap, it's heading back that way. I feel like I need to go through there to get where I need to go. But so when it goes down this hallway, I think we should gun it for this room. Takes time. Okay, there it is. And the battery's at 29%. Wait, what's it doing? Wait. Should I gun it now or not? No. It doesn't stay in there long enough. I need it to be in an area where it needs to be at. I wonder what happens if you get captured by it. Okay, let's go again. Back down the same freaking hallway too. I'm nervous eating right now. Okay. There has to be a gun somewhere, right? I don't like this. It's the videos is gonna be about me like being locked up in here. It's already 19 days. It's gonna be about me locked up in this office, guys. And that's literally what this video is gonna be. Because, seriously, I hate jump scares. That's like 2 I've already went through. And the creepy voice on the phone apparently knows me for some reason. I hate turning off on this tablet. We're at 26%. Okay, where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? I need it be down this hallway. It's not in there. Like it could get into those office. Great. I'll let you guys know, I already, saw 2 freaking jump scares. I don't know if I can handle a 3rd one. And I was like, why was there a ghost lady? That just popped up out of nowhere. That didn't happen last time. Uh-oh. Guys, I really don't know if I should... I'm just preparing my screaming voice. Can you hear a door open? Wait, it just went down that hallway. That's good, that's good, that's good. This is our move, boys. This is our move. This is where it came from.
I got a bottle of these.
Thank you. I'm letting you guys read that. Oh my god. Oh. Oh no! This is the classic scenario it comes in, isn't it? Keycard. Ooh, keycard.
Looks like it is the key card for some door.
Turn that off. Turn that off. Is it for this door? Blue key card. Blue key. Oh, I know what key card. Oh no! Ah! 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 I think that's gonna end this video, guys. I tried. You guys could, I'm saying like right now, you need to do like 80 likes if you even want me to even get back into like this horror game because, yeah, no. Just please leave a like and subscribe and yeah.